Hi there! It's time for another process video on how I create a collage with random collage papers from my lovely community. So the idea is to create small collages out of material that comes from people around the world, to connect with my community and to challenge myself. In this video I will share some thoughts about what I have learned so far while working on collages for this project. If you want to learn more about abstract collage making, be sure to check out my free 5-day art challenge, Collage Up Your Journal. Each day during the challenge you will receive a new video via email. The video will outline the daily creative task and provide tips, ideas and inspiration. Each video is short and easy to put into practice, even if you're a collage novice. You will find the link here on the screen and below the video in the description box. So let's speak about the Collaborative Collage Challenge. Till now, I received more than 60 envelopes with collage material from my lovely newsletter community. The goal is to create at least one collage per week. After creating a bit more than 10 collages for this project, this is number 12, I already learned a lot. Sometimes it feels a bit scary when I open the envelope and find only a few small paper scraps, and my first thought is, oh my god, is this enough material for a collage? Another time I maybe find papers with colors which are really out of my comfort zone. So here is what I do. First of all, I take a deep breath. This is just paper and not creepy at all. I try to concentrate on what I have. So I have different shapes, textures, marks, colors, and the question is how to combine these to create another interesting shape. What piece is strong enough to work as a focal point? What piece can I use as background? What line, mark, pattern or color could I use as a support for the focal point? And how can I create contrast? The good thing about collage is that you can rearrange your composition all the time. Add some shapes, remove some paper, overlap a shape with another, or you can use transparency to create depth. The possibilities are endless. Every new collage is a small challenge, a step out of my comfort zone. It's a great exercise to learn how to handle limitations, problem solving and letting go. Letting go of expectations and perfection, and learning to concentrate on the process of making instead of looking for a nice end result. Another big point is trust yourself. Trust yourself that you can do it. There is no right or wrong way to create a collage. The goal is to find a solution to combine these paper pieces to create something interesting. You may ask, what if I don't like my creation? Okay, so here's what I do. I look at my collage and I try to find little details that I like. Little marks or pattern or color combinations that I like. I take a photo of those details as inspiration for my future work. And I think to myself, it's not a masterpiece, but that's okay. I tried my best to create something interesting with these collage pieces. I can start a new one to try again. The more you do, the better you get. So, grab some collage paper and start creating. And don't forget to have fun.